Hey team, today we're going to take a look at the operations section within the Systems Accelerator Manager. The goal of this video is just to be a pretty quick tutorial. Clicking into the operations, you're going to notice it's very similar to the conversions that we looked over yesterday. Resources are just a little bit different because it's a different focus. In this case, we're going to select perhaps an About Me for a website, and we're going to select the specific team member that this About Me is going to be for. The specific niche of real estate this team member is going to be focusing on, as well as the writing style or their member voice. And then we're going to click down and adjust the objective of this piece of content. Once we've done all of that, we're going to go ahead and hit the begin, and the system's going to start thinking about everything we told it that we would like to do. And it's going to fire back with a couple of those refining questions that we're able to use in our About Me section. Now, because this is an About Me section, I would really encourage you not to just use these pre-filled answers. Click in here and really adjust them as need be. If one of them doesn't really make sense, give it that thumbs down so that the system is able to create a really highly tuned piece of content. I'm going to go ahead and hit continue because this is supposed to be a pretty quick tutorial, but I would encourage you, get in there, edit and adjust those as you need to. And then from here, the system is going to generate an About Me section that we're able to use on our website. We're able to regenerate or refine it. We can expand that content. We can edit it. Once it's ready to go, we can copy it as either HTML or just plain text, and then we can save it for later. But that is the operations section within the Systems Accelerator Manager. Super excited for you guys to start building in this section as well. And I will see you guys tomorrow with another tutorial.